In this video, I'll show you how to quickly check your computer or laptop specifications on Windows 11. Whether you want to see how much RAM you have, check your processor, or find out what graphics card you're using, here are a few easy ways to do it. Method 1. Using Windows settings. First, click the Start menu and type Settings, then open the Settings window on the left side, select System, and then scroll down and click on About. Here, you'll see a basic overview of your PC specs, including your device name, installed RAM, processor, and Windows version. Scroll further to see details like your Windows edition and build number. Method 2. Using system information. For a more detailed breakdown, close the Settings window, open the Start menu, and search for System Information. Click on it to open. Here, you'll see an in-depth view of your system, including processor, RAM, motherboard, BIOS, and more. To see your graphics card details, click the arrow next to Components on the left and select Display. You'll see all graphics adapters installed on your system. For example, NVIDIA or AMD. Method 3. Using Task Manager. Another quick method is using Task Manager. Right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab. Here you can monitor your CPU, RAM, disk, GPU, and more in real time. Click on each tab to see detailed information about your components and their current usage. And that's it. These are the easiest ways to check your PC specs on Windows 11. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tips.